Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to count publisher in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a publisher document and tick some pages. Now we get some page, click right button, the pages section, then click insert blank page, then again apply the same process. Now we can see this pages section, some page, this page all have a number. Now we can see here the page is 5. We can see here the 1 2 3 4 5. Now we can see we count this all page very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.